Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation will discuss the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1227, specifically referring to an open in the outside air temperature sensor circuit. This issue is critical in maintaining accurate climate control function in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The outside air temperature sensor plays an integral role in regulating cabin temperature by providing the climate control unit with accurate external temperature readings. When this sensor malfunctions, it can lead to improper climate control settings, impacting overall comfort and system efficiency. This guide will cover the error description, possible causes, symptoms, and step-by-step troubleshooting procedures to assist in diagnosing and resolving the DTC B1227. DTC B1227 indicates an open circuit fault in the outside air temperature sensor. The outside air temperature sensor is located externally, typically at the front of the vehicle, where it can accurately measure ambient temperature. This sensor's primary function is to relay temperature data to the climate control unit, which in turn adjusts air conditioning and heating output. When the circuit is open, the climate control unit recognizes this abnormality and triggers the DTC B1227. It's crucial for the climate control system to receive precise temperature readings to maintain comfort. An open circuit disrupts this data flow, possibly leading to ineffective climate control. Conducting an effective diagnosis of this DTC is essential for restoring proper function. Several potential causes could lead to the DTC B1227 being triggered. Firstly, a faulty outside air temperature sensor may fail to provide an accurate reading or may not transmit data at all. The integrity of the wiring and connectors linked to this sensor is also vital. Damage or corrosion could create an open circuit or signal loss. Moreover, a malfunction within the climate control unit itself could lead it to misinterpret the information received, resulting in this DTC being stored. Each of these components must be inspected thoroughly to identify the exact cause and remedy the problem effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC B1227 can significantly affect the vehicle's climate control function. A primary symptom is incorrect cabin temperature, where the heating or cooling system may not respond appropriately to user settings, leading to discomfort. Anomalies such as error messages might also be displayed on the dashboard, indicating a fault in the climate control system. Furthermore, the climate control unit may exhibit total malfunction, failing to regulate temperature or control the air distribution properly. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in diagnosing the issue efficiently, preventing further complications. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC B1227, you begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, effectively powering the electrical systems needed for diagnosis. Subsequently, inspect the outside air temperature sensor to ensure it is connected properly and that no visible signs of damage are present. Next, check the climate control unit for proper functioning, as any failure here could exacerbate the issue. By starting this step, you establish a baseline to pinpoint the fault, whether it lies with the sensor or the climate control unit. The second troubleshooting step involves disconnecting the connectors for both the outside air temperature sensor and the climate control unit. Once disconnected, inspect the wiring thoroughly for any signs of damage, such as fraying or corrosion, which could create an open circuit and trigger the DTC. Specifically, check the TAM signal circuit and the sensor COM ground circuit to ensure they are intact and not shorting or open. By carefully examining these components, one can isolate potential faults before proceeding with further diagnostics. In troubleshooting step 3, perform an open wire inspection on the TAM circuit ensuring that the resistance levels are correct. This involves checking the circuit resistance with a multimeter. Ideally, it should show less than 1 ohm to confirm proper connectivity. If the resistance is high or infinite, that indicates a disconnection somewhere in the circuit. Additionally, check if the TAM circuit is shorted to power, which could also produce this DTC. This thorough examination is crucial to eliminate circuit faults before addressing the climate control unit directly. The final troubleshooting step requires a meticulous inspection of the climate control unit itself. If other inspection items have indicated normal conditions, then it is probable that the climate control unit is the source of the problem. This inspection will involve evaluating the unit's connectors and internal components for any faults or malfunctions. The significance of this step cannot be overstated, as even if all wiring and the outside air temperature sensor are functional, a defective climate control unit can cause the same DTC to appear. Establishing the condition of this unit is essential for concluding the troubleshooting process. After proceeding through the troubleshooting steps and making any necessary repairs, it is essential to verify that the repairs have resolved the issue related to DTC B1227. Start by confirming the functionalities through tests to ensure that both the outside air temperature sensor and the climate control unit are operational. Once verification tests are satisfactory, clear the DTC codes from the vehicle's memory. Performing additional checks is also wise to ensure that all systems are functioning correctly and that no new codes have appeared. This step is crucial not only for confirming successful repairs, but also for ensuring the vehicle's overall performance and reliability. Preventive maintenance is essential to ensure that the outside air temperature sensor and the climate control unit function correctly. Regular inspections of the sensors can help detect any early signs of wear or damage before they lead to DTCs or other issues. Additionally, checking wiring for corrosion or wear can prevent open circuits from developing in the first place. Keeping the climate control system well maintained can enhance its longevity and performance. By incorporating these simple preventive measures into routine vehicle maintenance, drivers can avoid unnecessary repairs and ensure their Honda Accord remains comfortable and efficient. In conclusion, understanding DTC B1227 and its implications is vital for effective climate control maintenance in the Honda Accord 2023 Plus. Following the troubleshooting steps thoroughly ensures that all potential faults are carefully evaluated and resolved. It is imperative to diagnose any issues with the outside air temperature sensor and the climate control unit correctly, as improper operation affects overall vehicle comfort. Implementing preventive measures can significantly decrease the likelihood of DTCs reappearing, enhancing both the driver's experience and the vehicle's reliability. Keeping this knowledge in mind can go a long way toward maintaining optimal performance and functionality. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.